Good morning, students. Welcome to mathematics class. In this video, we will discuss about types of lines. What are these types of lines? Parallel lines, intersecting lines, perpendicular lines, and coplanar lines. Let us start with parallel lines. How would you define parallel lines? Lines which do not meet, like line P and line Q. Here they don't meet even if they are extended. Or maybe we can call them lines which do not intersect. Are these definitions correct? No. How? Let us discuss. Consider a plane A. Suppose we have line P on the plane A and line Q passing through the plane A like this. These lines never meet. So are they parallel lines? No, they are not parallel lines. So what will be its answer? What are parallel lines? The lines which do not intersect and lie on the same plane. For example, line C and line D. They do not intersect and they are on the same plane. So they are parallel lines. So let us see. Two or more lines that do not intersect each other and lie on the same plane are called parallel lines. Parallel lines are equidistant from each other. Parallel lines are denoted by two vertical lines. Look at the figure. Here line AB and CD are parallel to each other. Now we will discuss about intersecting lines. So first of all, what do you mean by intersect? It means meet. If we have two lines L and M which meet, they are called intersecting lines. So what's special about intersecting lines? Two intersecting lines meet at exactly one point. Here lines L and M meet each other at a point P. It means intersecting lines meet at exactly one point. Let us see another example. Lines A and B and lines C and D both are intersecting lines. They both pair of intersecting lines form a plane. It means intersecting lines will also lie in the same plane. Let us see one more interesting example. Look at lines L and M. Are these lines intersecting? What you can see? They are not meeting at a point. But wait, one of the properties of a line is that it extends indefinitely in both directions. So when these two lines are extended, they meet at one single point. It means they are intersecting lines. So when two or more lines intersect each other at a single point, they are called intersecting lines. Now, perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect each other to form a right angle, they are called perpendicular lines. Look at the figure. Lines M and L intersect each other at 90 degree. So, we can say line M is perpendicular to line L. Now, coplanar lines. Two or more lines that lie in the same plane are called coplanar lines. So, parallel lines, perpendicular lines and intersecting lines, these all are coplanar lines. So my dear children, I hope you all understood. So go through this chapter and write down the given notes in your notebook and do exercise 7.2 in your maths book. Thank you. Now enjoy this song.
And perpendicular parallel, and perpendicular parallel, and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines never cross like equal signs. They stay the same distance apart all of the time. Parallel and perpendicular, parallel and perpendicular, parallel and perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines intersect just like a T. They always cross at right angles, 90 degrees. Parallel and perpendicular, parallel and perpendicular, parallel and perpendicular lines. When two lines cross, but not at right angles,
Say what?
we call them intersecting.
What?
They're intersecting.
When two lines cross,
Two lines cross.
but not at right angles,
Say what?
we call them intersecting.
What?
They're intersecting.
Parallel and perpendicular.